lifestylers, thank you for joining me today on Lifestyle with Latasha. So today I wanted to give you a little glimpse of something fun that we're going to be doing. So we are in the process of doing something fun for fall. And I've got two little helpers here that are excited because we are in the process of carving a pumpkin.
Yay!
So we're gonna be carving a pumpkin. This is our first time actually doing it, so they're really excited. And tell everybody who you are. What's your name?
My name is Jericho.
And what is your name?
Ezekiel. So we've been doing this since, I think we did this at the old house before.
Okay, we did?
Yeah.
Okay, I must have misspoken, so he corrected me. But this is them getting ready to carve a pumpkin. So we're gonna just take a little quick video and showcase some fun that we're doing here at the house. So thank you for joining us today. Of course, if you like this video and you want to subscribe, what do they need to do?
Subscribe.
And hit that
Like button.
All right, thank you guys for joining us, and thank you for watching us as we do this video. All right. I hope that you guys enjoyed that little bit of fun and getting to meet my two little munchkins. Right now, what we're going to do is you're going to see us prepare to decorate our fall front porch. I know I've said I was going to do it a while, and we've just had so many projects that we've been trying to take on and get everything done. But now you're going to actually get to see us do it. So what you're seeing here, this is my daughter. She is actually putting hole in the canisters because if you saw my video from last year, you know that I got mums and I put them on the front porch. Well, unfortunately, those mums died within a few days. And so this year I decided I was going to try something different. These mums are actually from Amazon. They're faux moms and they came highly recommended. So I'm going to give these a try. I absolutely love the color and I'm thinking about actually getting a few more just to make it more fuller. But honestly, I'm ready to try them out and I think they're going to work out just fine. So what I'm going to do now is I've got to start cleaning off my front porch. It had been so neglected just over time with everything else that we were doing, and it really needed a good washing and a good sweeping and getting all the cobwebs out. So this is going to be a rug that I got from Amazon. I actually had got it for spring and I didn't utilize it because I never really got out here. So I decided that I'm going to utilize it for the fall and I think it's going to be perfect. Now, if you saw my video last year for my fall front porch, you know this is from that time. So I decided to reutilize it. And then these are some planters that I actually got from Facebook Marketplace, and they were a steal. There was 3 of them for like $80. They're huge and I absolutely love them. The problem was they don't have an insert that you could create risers for them. So I had to be a little bit creative. And what you're seeing me do here is that it had a hole that you could punch out that would allow water to not be retained in it, because I'm not going to be putting flowers in it. So I don't necessarily want water sitting because that would create a mosquito haven right at the front door. So what we're doing is we're putting holes in these as well, just so that if rain gets into it, it actually will drain out on the front porch and not sit. So that's the first one. I'm going to take it and sit it in the corner. And what you didn't see me do is I put in an insert that I was able to find that fit perfectly, that lifted it up. And then on top of that, I have what they call upsy daisies. And I wish I had shown you those, but you could actually get them from Amazon or from Home Depot. And they lift planters to whatever size you need them to be. So I've inserted here my lanterns that I always keep on the front porch, even though I'm going to be honest, I'm a little disappointed because I bought these last year from At Home, and unfortunately, they're not weatherproof. Even though they're meant to be outdoors, the battery area rusted, which means they are no longer functioning. So what I did was I took some maple wreaths, garland actually, and I put them in the bottom of there, and then I put the lantern on top. Unfortunately, it won't be lit because it doesn't work. So I'm a little disappointed in that. The next thing you see me do here is I'm going to bring in 2 large bales of hay. Now, I know that you should probably take the plastic off, but I'm going to tell you why I didn't. I have a chipmunk that literally lives under my porch. And even though we've tried to close it in and we've tried to, fix that space so that he can't get in, he continues to do so. And he looks for any type of debris to take into his house. So I decided I'm going to leave my hay in plastic. And then what you're going to see me do is fill up this space with pumpkins and with those faux moms in the purple color. Isn't that gorgeous? And then I had a little DIY with that white off-shaped pumpkin, and I'm going to show you that in a separate DIY video. So right now, I'm just filling up the space with pumpkins and moms and just kind of creating that cozy environment for somebody to come and feel welcome into our home and that they're really into the fall season. And if you remember that doozy from last year, that is one of the biggest pumpkins I've ever seen, and I absolutely love it. So we've got a few more just to fill up the space. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to hang up the wreaths. And I got these wreaths from Front Gate. Oh my gosh, they were clearance last year and I absolutely love them. They are so full and just make a beautiful impact. And guess who else is coming to visit? Here is the carved pumpkin that we just did. I thought it was perfect to put on the front porch. I'm going to put a candle on the inside and this is the look. Isn't that perfect? I absolutely love it. So what do you think? Of course, you have to leave me your comments down below and let me know what your thoughts are about our finally decorated fall porch. We finally did it. And so I hope that you're enjoying it. Of course, if you are, don't forget, hit that like button. And if this is your first time or you're an oldie but goodie, I ask that you also subscribe. And I just can't wait to hear what your comments and your thoughts are. Thank you so much for being here. Happy fall, y'all. Lifestylers, we want to thank you for joining us today as we did a little activity as we are in the midst of fall for 2024. We want to say thank you for joining us and being a part of all of our lifestyle and family activities. And as we get ready to go deeper into the season, we ask that you enjoyed this video. Please like down below. And if you're interested in being a part of the lifestyle family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And we are always interested in hearing what your comments are. So please leave us a comment and let you know what you're enjoying about the fall season so far. Well, in the meantime, as we always say, we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.
Peace.